Hello, my name is Kim, aka Mary from the math class, and I've had some technical difficulty trying this. This is the first time to actually video and try to place it on YouTube. Thought we had it accomplished yesterday after I had done this activity with a small group. However, I had some difficulty and wouldn't download last night, so we're going to try it again today. Unfortunately, I don't have students with me on Saturday. So just bear with me as I try to complete this and show you what needs to be done. One of my favorite kindergarten math manipulatives is the dominoes. They can be used for so many activities. At the beginning of the year, of course, color. We use them by sorting by color. Also, the students, you can also have the students use them to work with numbers. Just count that and be able to place that beside the number 6. We could also count, make sure that they realize that is 7. Place it beside the number 7. So that's one activity that's used. Today, however, I'm going to talk about the KOA 1, represent addition and subtraction with objects, fingers, mental images, drawings, and sounds. I would go ahead and place this on the board. I can add 2 amounts within 10 using my strategies, and it shows our domino. So that shows our math manipulative. We also have a paper that we were able to find. We also have this in subtraction. The one that we were using for our small groups yesterday was domino addition, and it simply showed the domino. Go ahead and let the students have a dry erase marker since they're laminated. Wipes off extremely easily. This is a great source. I think we found it on Pinterest. So those of you Pinterest addicts out there like us, teachers at Ballard County Elementary, get on there and find some great resources. Use the domino. Simply have the child represent what this number stands for. Count these. Represent that's a 5. Go ahead and put it in the block. They could simply do this to get adjusted, get introduced to it. Then have them flip it over on the back. Go ahead and let them take the tub of dominoes and pick out some dominoes. I would probably urge them to begin with until they're familiar with them to possibly pick out the smaller dominoes. Anything with the 3, and then you of course have to introduce 0. 3 and 1. Probably don't want them to do anything as large as the 6 and the 5 just yet starting off. If you have some that you know can handle this, go ahead and use this by all means. Also a great resource, doubles, introducing doubles. We have another activity at school that we like to use these with. We pre-count out, say 35 dominoes, and put them in a large Ziploc bag, and we have that number set aside as bag A, and we have set aside a piece of paper that says bag A, and it actually has 35 listed on it. To the side, we have a bag of teddy bear counters. All these items can be sorted simply by color. So we'd have a bag of teddy bear counters, and we would have probably, say, 45 teddy bear counters in that Ziploc bag. We have that bag laid out to the side as bag B. On our cheat sheet, the teacher's cheat sheet, we would have A as being 35. Bag B would have 45 in it. We'd give the students 10 cups, have them with a partner. They would be able to take their particular Ziploc bag and sort by color. So once again, when they get the bag with the dominoes, they would sort out 10 red dominoes in one cup, 10 orange dominoes in another cup, 10 blue dominoes in one cup, until they got to the very end where they only have 5 dominoes left over. And so that would be their remainder. And then once again, they'd have to be able to show you 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. You would know then that for their activity that they did know how to sort, compose, and decompose numbers. One of the standards, like I said, later on in the school year, so that's an activity that we've used dominoes for as well. We'd also have this particular activity in subtraction, so therefore when the students realize that they got 6, write down the 6, and then have the takeaway sign here instead of the addition. They'd write down their 6. If they have 6 and they take 6 away, of course the answer is going to be 0. So, great math manipulative for kindergarten is the domino. Of course, older grade levels, I'm sure has activities that they could use with them as well. I'm not as familiar. I've only worked with one other grade level other than tutoring over the years. So, kindergarten, of course, has been where all of my math manipulatives have been focused on. Like I said, there are so many out there. It was really hard to choose, but I knew that we'd already had other people show the double-sided counters and the teddy bear counters. We use teddy bear counters daily in kindergarten, so they're a great resource. But one of my favorite is also the domino. Like I said, we have used them for sorting, for counting, addition, and subtraction. So enjoy your math manipulatives. Thank you.